Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you rub a PEAR on your car windshield. I'm going to use the side window for purposes of this video. I'm doing a current experiment here with some shaving cream. Now you may have seen this little trick with an apple. However, I prefer the PEAR because it's juicier, it's more bendable, it's more pliable. The goal is to repel water. That way you can make your driving experience easier. So we had a really dirty window right here. Hey guys, really dirty window right here that we're going to use this PEAR on. So I'm just going to rub in circular motions, and I'll tell you why this works, or the idea behind it works so well. And I can see right now it's cleaning it, it's looking shiny. I'm loving this. And then I'm just going to take a microfiber towel here, and then we're going to spray it with a little water to see how well it actually repels the water. So up here I have another whole PEAR just in case. We got our microfiber towel. I'm just going to rub that excess away here using my S method or my Z technique, if you're ever wondering about how to properly clean a window, just like that. Ooh, the inside looks real dirty. This camera's picking up everything. All right, let's dry that up really nicely, and we'll test it on this window right here compared to this one to see if the PEAR repels the water. All right, there we go. Dirty, somewhat cleaner, better than before. All right, so we're gonna take our water and we're gonna give it a good little spray. And let's just see. And now beating up nicely on the outside there. Now remember, it's very cold in my garage here in the Midwest. And let's just take a peek there. I actually think water is being repelled on its own without any PEAR or apple on it. Can you see it actually froze? It froze here on the window because it's cold. But this one, look at that, just wipe that away. Well, we got this haziness right here. So in reality, if you're trying to repel water on your window, I would not use something sugar-based like an apple or a PEAR. No, my friend, I would not. But I would use something that's slightly more acidic, like apple cider vinegar. But this alone is not in reality going to actually help you repel any water. Now I just have a frozen sticky mess over here, but not over here because there was no PEAR. All right, my friend, save yourself the trouble and avoid rubbing fruit on your windows. All right, YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch this video next. I think you're going to want to watch this one next. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.